Hi parents, I am Ankita, blending Montessori, neuroscience, positive parenting to help you follow your amazing child from day one to forever. Today, we're diving into something fascinating about how children learn. Dr. Maria Montessori called these sensitive periods. Think of these like special windows of opportunity when children become super interested in learning specific things. It's like having a spotlight that shines on exactly what they need to learn at exactly the right time. Pretty cool, right? Let's break this down in a way that will help you spot these special periods in your own children or students. Imagine a child who suddenly becomes obsessed with organizing everything. They line up their toys, sort their blocks by color, and even arrange their food on their plate by color. This isn't just a random behavior, it's actually a sensitive period for order. These sensitive periods are like nature's way of helping children learn exactly what they need when they need it. They're temporary, they don't last forever, they're really intense. When a child is in a sensitive period, they are super focused. Sensitive periods are natural, every child goes through them. And they have perfect timing. They show up just when the child needs to learn something specific. Think of it like this. Have you ever noticed how much easier it is for children to learn a new language compared to adults? That's because they are in a sensitive period for language in their early childhood. Let's look at the main sensitive periods with some real life examples. Movement is birth to about 4 years. Watch how babies are fascinated by their own hands. See how toddlers love to walk, climb, and carry things. Notice how young children want to do everything by themselves. That is the sensitive period for movement. Language is from birth to 6 years. Babies turning their heads when they hear voices. Toddlers repeating words over and over. Preschoolers speaking up new vocabulary like sponges. That's what I'm talking about. Order is birth to 3 years. A toddler who gets upset when her furniture is moved. A child who wants the same bedtime routine every night. And a 2-year-old who puts toys back exactly in the same spot. Sensitive period for small details is 1 to 4 years. This is a child who notices tiny insects in the garden. Someone who spots the smallest change in their room. A toddler fascinated by the patterns on your shirt. Now let's talk about how we can help these children during these sensitive times. For movement, you can create safe spaces for crawling and walking. You can provide them opportunities for climbing and balancing. You can also set up practical activities like pouring and carrying. For language, you can talk clearly and use only real words, not baby talk. You can read books together daily. You can name everything you see in your environment. You can share songs and rhymes. For order, you can keep a consistent daily routine, have a place for everything, and everything should be in place. Show them where things belong. Help them create organizing systems that they can manage. For small details, provide magnifying glasses for exploration. Take nature walks and point out interesting things. You can offer sorting activities with different shapes and sizes. Here's what not to do, and I'll tell you why. Don't interrupt a focused child. Look, your child has been arranging blocks for 20 minutes. Even though it's snack time, let's give her a few more minutes to finish because she is in a sensitive period for order. Don't force activities. If your child is not interested in coloring right now, that's okay. He may be in a sensitive period for movement. That is why the child is more interested in walking and climbing. That is why the child is not sitting in one place. Don't get frustrated by repetition. Yes, your child may want to hear the same story for the 100th time because they are in a sensitive period for language. And this repetition is helping their brain develop. How do you know when your child is in a sensitive period? Let me tell you. You can look for certain clues. Number 1, deep concentration. They are so focused that they might not even hear you call them. Second is repetition. They want to do the same activity over and over again. Number 3, joy. Why? They are very happy doing the activity. Frustration. They get upset if interrupted. Let me give you a real example. There was a 4-year-old child who spent all morning carrying his blocks one by one across the room. Instead of telling him to just use the basket, we recognized this as a sensitive period for movement and let him continue his important work. Remember, sensitive periods are nature's way of helping children learn exactly what they need. Your job as a parent is to watch them, support them, and try not to get in their way. Start noticing these special periods in the children around you. You might be surprised by what you see. Stay tuned for the next video and hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Looking forward to see you in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video.